Hello everyone that is seeing us today. Today I'm going to show you how to style Tailwind as style guide on our Ionic project. First, we have here the main page of Tailwind. The first thing that you need to do is install Tailwind on your Ionic project. For this, you can go to this installation code on our terminal, but because we are using Angular, we can't use this. So we can search for this code that is here on the repository that is from Mark Julian. The first thing that you need to do is install again Tailwind with this code. So you need to install it on your terminal. Okay, now I am on my terminal. I'm going to use Similar because it's the terminal that I'm used to use. The first thing that you need to go to do, sorry, is go to your pod from your project. I already have here the pod from my projects, and inside of that I have the Ionic project and mockup. But today we're going to use as an example the Ionic project as example to install the Tailwind style guide. So first, as I said, we need to install the code that I already told you, that is this one. We need to wait until it's installed. Okay, then we have this advertisement that is here that is saying that the package will be installed and execute, and if we need to we like sorry to proceed with this, so we are going to say yes because we need to install it. Let's wait a little bit more. Okay, and then when we already have here this, so we're going to use as CSS. We need to choose this option with the arrows of our keyboard. We're going to use as CSS because it's the one that the project use. Here we need to use typography. Okay, once the package is installed, we already have the packages installed successfully. So then we need to do two more things to check the installation. First, we can go to open the code, the Visual Studio Code, to check the code of our project, and then after that, we can just clear and click the write the Ionic serve to open the project on our local host. Okay, after the Tailwind is installed on our project, we can check in here on Visual Studio Code that we have all the documents or of our projects, right? This is a project that we already use in classes, so we have already here all the information about the project. First, we have here the list of cars, the calling up section, of all these things, but we're not going to see this now. First, we have here the Tailwind main document, what is the module that exports all the information about the Tailwind. Here on package.json, we have all the modules that are installed. We can see that with the command that we choose Tailwind installed, we can see this one and we can see this other one. So now we have installed this, we can go to the homepage and add some templates to check if we can use it and how it's it. Okay, so if we go to the main page of Tailwind, we have all these complements that we can use, sorry, to check it. We can see that we have the hero section, the feature sections. For now, we can use okay, here we have different templates that we can use on the main page of Tailwind. Once it is installed, and we can use it on our project. So today I have here some that we can use. First, we can add a sign-in account template. In this case, we can use this one. That is the one that with the code embedded code. You just click on this, and we can use it like that. Uh, we can just copy this and paste it here after this if we want. Just to check it, and we have all the code here that we can change. We have the first image, the first sorry code like this, and with the changes that we already make with the template for the login, we can just reload the page, save on code in Visual Studio Code, and wait until this reload again. And we can see it here now. I have us predetermined the color in black. That's the reason, because it says that like this. But you that have the color on white, you can see it like this. Like we can see it here. If you can see the change until this, sorry, until this, from this, it's better. It's a lot better because we already have all the buttons, all the checkbox. We can add just information here. Okay, another example like this is to check this one. That is a drop down. We can go to code. Well, this is how it's going to be showed on our application, but we can go to code and just copy this example, paste it on our a code from Visual Studio Code on our project, save it, and we're going to see that if we reload here the page, we can see here the drop down that we need to add all the design of the page, but it is already here. It's just like this. And this is the style grid of installation of Tailwind. Well, we have some different style guides, like Bootstrap or something like that. We have Cupertino, we have Bootstrap, we have material design from Android, but the other common it's Bootstrap. If we just like search the Bootstrap style guide, we can check this or this. Here we have the from the website that is getbootstrap.com, and we can see all the things that we can like just add to our project, installing the Bootstrap. And another like guide from Brookston that we have, there are here all the colors, the heading for the text, the different buttons, the tables, thumbnails, different drop downs that we can see it here on the same page. And well, that's it. I think that it's everything for us. Now you can know how to implement this. That is the Tailwind style guide.